Welcome to Sujitra Statistics classes. Today we are going to discuss the moment generating function, characteristic function and mode of a Poisson distribution. Moment generating function. If x follows p lambda, then moment generating function mxt is expectation of e raised to tx is equal to summation 0 to infinity e raised to t fx, which is equal to summation 0 to infinity e raised to tx e raised minus lambda raised to x by x factorial, which is equal to summation 0 to infinity combine e raised to tx and lambda x together, we are getting e raised to t lambda all raised to x, and take e raised to lambda outside, we get summation 0 to infinity e raised to t lambda all raised to x by x factorial as e raised to lambda, since e raised to x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus etc. up to infinity. So, which is equal to e raised to lambda e raised to t minus 1. So, mxt is e raised to lambda e raised to t minus 1. Differentiating moment generating function successively with respect to t and putting t equal to 0, we get raw moments about origin. Mu1 dash is d by dt of mxt at t equal to 0, that is d by dt of e raised to lambda e raised to t minus 1 at t equal to 0. Separate e raised to lambda into e raised to t minus 1 as e raised to lambda into e raised to lambda e raised to t, and take e raised to minus lambda outside, which is independent of t, and you will get this expression. Differentiate e raised to lambda e raised to t with respect to t, you will, and putting t equal to 0, you will get it as lambda. So, mu1 dash is lambda. Then mu2 dash. Mu2 dash is d square mxt by dt square at t equal to 0. Then you will get mu2 dash as lambda square plus lambda by putting t equal to 0 after differentiation. Therefore, variance is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square, which is equal to lambda. Similarly, we get mu3 dash, which is equal to lambda cube plus 3 lambda square plus lambda, and mu3 using this equation as lambda. Mu4 dash as lambda raised to 4 plus 6 lambda cube plus 7 lambda square plus lambda, and applying in the equation of mu4, we will get mu4 equal to 3 lambda square plus lambda. Now let us think about the additive property of Poisson distribution. Then additive property of Poisson random variable. If x follows p lambda 1 and y follows p lambda 2 are two independent Poisson variates, then x plus 1 follows p lambda 1 plus lambda 2. We know that if x follows p lambda 1, then mxt is e raised to lambda 1 e raised to t minus 1. If y follows p lambda 2, then myt is e raised to lambda 2 into e raised to t minus 1. By the additive property of moment generating function for the independent random variables x and y, mx plus yt is mxt into myt. So, here also we are getting e raised to lambda 1 into e raised to t minus 1 into e raised to lambda 2 into e raised to t minus 1, which is equal to e raised to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 into e raised to t minus 1, which is the moment generating function of a Poisson variate with parameter lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Therefore, x plus 1 follows p lambda 1 plus lambda 2. And probability density function of x plus y, f of x plus y is e raised to minus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 into lambda 1 plus lambda 2 raised to x plus y divided by x plus y factorial. Now think about characteristic function. The calculation of characteristic function is quite same as that of moment generative function. Phi xt, that is characteristic function, is denoted by phi xt. Phi xt is expectation of e raised to itx. And combining e raised to itx and lambda raised to x, we will get this expressions, and eventually we will get phi xt as e raised to lambda, e raised to it minus 1. Then, same as that of moment generating function, we can generate row moments from the characteristic function. Mu r dash is equal to 1 by I raised to r, d raised to r by dt raised to r phi xt at t equal to 0. Same as that. Minus 1 raised to r, d raised to r by dt raised to r phi xt at t equal to 0. These two expressions can be seen in different textbooks. Both are same. Mode of Poisson distribution. If x is the mode of a distribution, then x have maximum probability. Therefore, f of x minus 1 less than or equal to f of x greater than or equal to f of x plus 1. This can split as f of x minus 1 less than or equal to f of x and f of x greater than or equal to f of x plus 1. F of x minus 1 less than or equal to f of x can be written as lambda raised to x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 factorial e raised to minus lambda less than or equal to lambda raised to x by x factorial e raised to minus lambda. Cancelling the like terms, we have 1 less than or equal to lambda by x, that is x less than or equal to lambda. By taking f of x greater than or equal to f of x plus 1 and rewriting by the expansion of f of x and f of x plus 1 and cancelling like terms, we will get x greater than or equal to lambda minus 1. Combining 1 and 2 together, we can write lambda minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to lambda. So, if lambda is an integer, we have a bimodal distribution and modes are lambda minus 1 and lambda. If lambda is not an integer, integer part of lambda is called the mode. Now, let us rewind what we have studied. If x follows p lambda, mxt is e raised to lambda, e raised to t minus 1. Phi xt characteristic function is e raised to lambda, e raised to it minus 1. Additive property of two independent Poisson variables as this one. If x follows p lambda 1 and y follows p lambda 2 and x and y are independent, x plus y follows p lambda 1 plus lambda 2. If x is the mode, then lambda minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to lambda. If lambda is an integer, the distribution have two modes. They are lambda minus 1 and lambda. And if lambda is not an integer, integer part of lambda is called the mode. So thank you for listening. If this is found to be useful, then like and subscribe Suchitra's statistics classes. Thank you.